6 key imperatives for technology providers to navigate this new normal. First, identify near-term growth drivers carefully. Zero in on hotspots, microverticals, regions that are COVID resilient, which have grown or are relatively less impacted from the pandemic. Second, there is a need to reprioritize offerings as COVID-19 resilient offerings are now driving 60% of spend. Providers must take advantage of the fact that enterprises are now spending more on digitization. Digital technologies can be disaggregated into 100 to 150 offerings, of which we believe over 65 are COVID-19 resilient. Read the full report for more details around this. Third, build credibility and showcase capability in the remote world. As sales processes move online, significant acceleration in proactive selling has resulted in record pipeline growth. Hunting in the remote world needs to be capability driven as relationships become harder to forge. Providers could shift their focus from deal origination to deal conversion, plan for targeted opportunities, and shape deal structures effectively to increase their win rates. Fourth, reimagine every part of your operating model. In this hybrid work environment, providers will need to rethink all aspects of their operating model from virtual sales to delivery model shifts to talent and people supply chain. Fifth, create a war chest to maintain margins. Tech providers have been able to protect margins so far by containing human costs. Indian technology providers temporarily froze hikes, improved off-site on-site mix, lowered discretionary spend to protect margins. While these measures have worked so far to bolster margins further, providers could adopt measures such as general and administrative cost digitization, cash management, and incorporate next-gen cost optimization measures such as facility decentralization, flexible workforce model, and the use of utility aggregators. Last, proactively shape large deals and inorganic M&A opportunities. In the near term, there has been a significant rise in interest to exploit inorganic growth opportunities for either scale or capabilities. With organic growth outlook looking subdued than before, providers could explore interesting targets operating in the growth hotspot, captive carve-outs at attractive valuations, etc., to further bolster their growth plans.